Hello everybody, we have another PBS Kids premiere countdown starting at 5:30 called Skillsville. So I got 4 robots set in. Hope it's not copyrighted or trademark. I hope it didn't get sued like Rosie the Rabbit. Yeah, Lola. Yeah, I'm excited for the new premiere on PBS Kids called Skillsville. Yeah, I'm excited to see it. Alright everybody, we only have about two more minutes for the countdown. Yay! Let me check the battery, everybody. Looks like we're gonna get ready. So I'm gonna turn on these robots here. Alright. Getting ready for the countdown. Alright, let's turn it off for a second. Elinor. Yeah, gotta get ready. We're gonna count from 10 until the starts. So here we go. We have some confetti right here. So step back. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off for now. Alright, get ready. 20, 19. We're gonna start from 20 actually. 20th, 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Hold on, we gotta wait first until we go back down from 10. It's coming. Get ready in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, everybody ready?
1.
10, 9.
Ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
8.
Today. Woo! Premiere day. We did it, guys. We made it. Right, Boxer? It's our premiere day. Yay, premiere day's here. Oh, and the banner fell down. Yay, premiere day. Yes, 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 yes. Alright, everybody, that's our premiere day for today. Happy premiere day. Alright. Happy premiere day. Alright, everybody. Alright, everybody. I hope you have a great day, everybody. Alright, everybody. Let's clean this up. Alright, everybody, that was our premiere day. I hope you have a great day, everybody. So let's put these confettis away. Alright. Last year, the first countdown of PBS premiere was Work It Out Wombats. 2024 was the Lila and Luke countdown, and now 2024 was the Carl the Collector countdown, and now today is the Skillsville countdown. So I hope you have a great, happy premiere day. We'll see you guys in about next show. I'm not going to show the TV because I think it might be copyrighted. So I hope you have a great premiere day. Alright, everybody. I hope you have a happy, great premiere day at this time right here. Alright, that'll be it. Alright, everybody, I'm going to end the video now.